Midjourney version 5 is finally here, and in this video you will learn everything about it. And Midjourney also released its own magazine. Just simply go to this URL mag.midjourney.com and here you will find the Midjourney magazine. But let me tell you this, it's not free. You have to pay $4 per month to access the Midjourney magazine. So right now we are inside the Discord. Now let's activate Midjourney version 5. So I will come here and type / select settings, press enter. Then I will click on Midjourney version 5. Then I will click on dismiss message and you have successfully selected Midjourney version 5. Midjourney version 5 actually allows you to experiment with the aspect ratio. So for example, if I type / then select imagine and let's type a cat, then space -- AR. Now let's type a different type of aspect ratio. So I will type 6:10. Then let's press enter. And this is the AI art Midjourney has generated for us. Let's take a close look. Here you can see the height and the width actually matches to our aspect ratio. It's actually good. Now let's generate another AI art and let's select different aspect ratio. I will type a dog, then space -- AR. This time I will type 1:10. Let's press enter. Now let's wait for the result. So our art has been generated. Let's take a close look. So this is the art. Okay, so I will click on open in browser. As you guys can see, the height and the width actually matches to our aspect ratio. We applied 1:10 and it's actually 1:10. So now let's zoom in and you can clearly see the details. I mean, it's actually pretty crazy. So yes, in Midjourney version 5, you can actually do experiments with your aspect ratio. And also Midjourney version 5 allows you to do repeating tiles. So for example, if I come here and type / select imagine, let's type a solar system space -- tile TILE, then -- AR. I will select aspect ratio of 16:9. Now let's press enter and Midjourney has generated our AI art. Let's take a close look and here you can see it's absolutely perfect and you can actually upscale any of this and you can easily print them or set as wallpaper. And also one thing you must know about Midjourney version 5, it actually upscales the AI art pretty fast. Watch this closely, okay? I will not speed ramp this moment. So for example, I like this second AI art, this one, and now notice how much time it takes to upscale the second one. If I click on U2, it just upscaled it that quickly. This is how fast Midjourney version 5 is. So when you are using Midjourney version 5, please don't put your prompt like this: a cyborg cat, in cyberpunk city, at night, So don't prompt like this. Instead make it a whole sentence. So for example, we are going to type a cyborg cat in a cyberpunk city at night. Press enter. And now let's wait for the result. So our art has been generated. Now let's take a close look. And it's looking absolutely beautiful, just beautiful. So guys, this was it for our today's video. I hope you learned about the Midjourney version 5. And if you have any questions regarding Midjourney version 5, please let me know in the comment section and I will see you in our next video.